Welcome to know about Clickfunnels tutorial. Clickfunnels tutorial, knowing how to make high-converting online marketing. Every business requires a well-planned and proper marketing plan. Without effective marketing, you cannot increase or boost your business. When it comes to online products or services, you need to follow some steps which are necessary for your website. For example, you will need to do proper branding and marketing so that you could grow your business. Clickfunnels tutorial, knowing how to make high-converting online marketing. But the question is how to do appropriate marketing to make a high conversion rate. Well, this is very simple. All you need to know is getting familiar with some simple rules about marketing, and you will get the best from your online business. Today, we will discuss Clickfunnels tutorial. We will also let you know what high conversion rate is and how you can achieve it with some simple steps. What is the conversion rate? Before getting into Clickfunnels tutorial, you will need to know about conversion rate. Basically, the conversion rate is the amount or percentage of visitors who complete the desired goal of your website. This goal is known as conversion. For example, you are selling online products. Now the more visitors buy your good each time they visit your website, the more your conversion rate will be. This is how conversion rate works. When you sell more of your online products or services, your site grows with high conversion rate. For this purpose, you will need to perform high converting online marketing. We will cover this topic in Clickfunnels tutorial. Clickfunnels tutorial. Now we will talk about Clickfunnels and how you can do high converting marketing for your online business. Clickfunnels is an online software which can be used for marketing purposes. It is simple and easy to use. To do proper high-converting marketing, you will need to create the best value propositions. Value proposition means what your visitor will get from you and why he should choose your services. This is one of the main factors why a visitor buys your services. You will need to mention that you are providing these services which are not that good from other resources on the internet. You also have to tell the visitor that your purchasing source is much better than other resources on the internet. By doing this, you will make your visitor know that he is buying from an authentic resource. Another way to increase high converting rate for your website is increasing trust and creating effective sales funnels. You can build confidence by posting revises and telling your visitors that you are not in a hurry for the money. You could also give your visitors a valid reason to spend on your website. All these things are included in Clickfunnels tutorial. Similarly, you can make effective sales funnels by using Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels provides you with great sales funnels creation without spending hours. All you need is defining which type of funnel you want. After that, manage your content and start the funnel to make it work. After that, your conversion rate will surely go up. Click the link below this video for more updates. Want to start building your high-converting website? Click here to create your Clickfunnels account for free related posts. Clickfunnels trial offer, tips to get Clickfunnels for free. Clickfunnels paid trial, is it worth trying? How to use Clickfunnels, knowing about marketing. Does Clickfunnels integrate with Shopify? How does? Best sales funnel builder, will it help share? Clickfunnels training, knowing on how to use it for. Lead pages alternative, does it really gives you a? Clickfunnels examples, know how to create an sales funnel software, how it manage for your landing page builder, expanding your online conversions. Is Clickfunnels a CRM guide for Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels wiki, tips on how to make it worth your money. Clickfunnels guide, here is your guide to increase. Unbounce versus Clickfunnels, which one gives the best? Clickfunnels landing pages, making your online. Clickfunnels backpack review, what is the most? Clickfunnels 30-day trial, is it available? Clickfunnels features, tips on how to propagate it. Clickfunnels blog, tips to get professional blog. Cheap alternative to Clickfunnels, does it give a? Clickfunnels lifetime account, how this benefits. Clickfunnels versus Optimize Press, get the latest. Is Builderall scam or legit? Things you need to know. Thrive Architect alternative, look at the leading Builderall discount, how to sign up with better price. Russell Brunson Clickfunnels, learn how it helps. Landing page creator, will this help initiate leads? Clickfunnels 2, Club, ways how to help grow. Clickfunnels cost, let's take a look on pricing packages. Builderall pricing, how much is Builderall? Video pages versus Clickfunnels, which one should you use? Unbounce alternative, simple to use and affordable. Clickfunnels review and pricing, should you buy it or not? Entreport versus Clickfunnels, which one is more Builderall versus WordPress, which one is better? Builderall versus Wix, which one is better? Builderall examples, a Builderall demo. Builderall free trial, try it for free for 7 days. Free alternative for Clickfunnels, is it safe? And Builderall review and pricing, it is a scam or legit? Clickfunnels $97 versus $297. Learn what to choose for. Clickfunnels versus WooCommerce, which one is useful? Clickfunnels 60-day trial, does it still exist? And Builderall versus Wealthy Affiliate, which one is better? Clickfunnels extended trial, how and where to get it now? Is Builderall a pyramid scheme or MLM? Builderall versus Lead Pages, what's the better choice? Shopify versus Builderall, which one is better? Buy Clickfunnels, get started with Clickfunnels for Clickfunnels pricing plan and discount, how to get it. Thanks for watching this video.